What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay to the RG. So check it out. We got this song that I done in Presonus Studio One, mixed it, whatnot, real quick, fast and quick and fast. No mastering, no nothing, raw cut, EQ, compression, gate on the channel and whatnot. Just playing around, having fun, do what I do, you know, because sometimes everybody, I know a lot of us we make music because we got a purpose behind it, but sometimes you just gotta do it just to be doing it, to have fun. Who cares what it sound like or whatnot? So I'm gonna play this little song for you real quick that I just did in Studio One Pro 7. I'm liking it. It's I can do stuff fast in it. So let me play it for you. It's a rap song because that's what I do on blah, blah, blah. Everything is freestyle. I don't write down nothing. Saying it's gonna sound like I don't write down nothing, but hey, it's fun. I'm having fun. I'm old. I do this for fun. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's dive right into it. I'm gonna play it for you. Aki. All right, here we go. I don't know why she tried to play me. You know what I'm saying, man? She should have known, man. You can't play a player. You know what I'm saying? You try to do me like that, man. I'm gonna do you. You know what I'm saying? Bring it in. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She told me she's staying at home. They told me to leave her alone. Why am I trying? My feelings be saying I'm out of my mind. My homeboy took it down last night. Seems like the bra can't get right. She telling me she gon' do better. She ain't do shit, can't get shit together. I gotta be a fool while I still stay. Saw her at the club on the pole last Monday. I got the Jones, can't leave her alone. I guess it's too strong. What did it go wrong? I'm tired of these songs. I guess it's the thong. Now my homeboy's calling me get right, but the bra got a grip that's too tight. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. Yeah, look real good in the nightgown. When she turn around, had to lay the pipe down. Never did think she a real one, but a player like me had to get some. Had to get a test very next day. Had a little itch that didn't seem to go away. Probably should've strapped up real tight. Put a pole out next day, didn't feel right. But last night felt right, got real good. Guess you let me know where she stood. Didn't really care about your boy now. Could've told me that I better not hit wrong. And now laid up with an attitude. Never hit a brawl, but I sent something after you. Somebody should've told you I'm a real one. Now you want another chance, bitch, you ain't getting one. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. When you be making these songs and you listen to them, you record them, you mix them, and you play them back, you're going to always hear something that you probably could have changed or should change. A mix is never done until you print it and then got it and done with it, closed it, deleted it, or whatever off your hard drive. Because I'm listening to this and I'm like, there's a lot of stuff that I could do better with this. There's a lot of stuff. I kind of feel like that main sound is probably a little bit too loud. I need to bring that down so the vocals will stand out a little bit more. There's several things that you can do always to make it sound better. But when you're just doing it for fun like I am, you tend to get a little bit lazy. So that's a good and a bad side about just doing music to have fun. If you're okay with it, you're okay with it. This will never go no farther than YouTube. So, but anyway, the point of it is, you know, when you're doing your songs, you're doing your music, don't beat yourself up, because eventually you're going to have to come to an end. You're going to always hear something that you should have done better. Instead of trying to make that one sound better after you done already uploaded it, then uploaded it to Spotify and all of that, and you want to keep just use whatever it is that you think that you missed on that one use it for the next one and just keep improving and improving. This song was done on the fly, real simple, because I like doing simple beats to give you an idea of how the simple stuff can also sound well if you have enough sounds to cover the space accordingly. A lot of times what I like to do to cover up the space accordingly is add delay. Add delay to like let's play this chorus right here. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. There's a lot of chorus going on. We'll just play this one right here, solo it, so you can see what I'm talking about. She don't really look right. Yep. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. On the ad-libs, I'll add a little delay to fill in that space. Cause you don't want to sound empty, but you don't want to sound cluttered neither. And I probably could even add a little delay on the decay, the delay. I probably could add a little reverb on the delay over here. I mean, a little EQ to cut off the low end on that to add a little sparkle to the delay. She don't really look right. Yep. She don't really sound right. She don't really look right. She don't really sound right. There's really just so much you can do. You run that track over to another track and then use that as a scene. Man, you can get really complicated with these mixes if you really take the time. That's why when you hear somebody say, oh yeah, man, I can mix that in 30 minutes. Yeah, you probably can, opposed to the dude that's doing what I just said and it's taking them 2 hours to mix it. Because you think just because it sounds okay and decent or good enough with your 30-minute mix, that this 2-hour mix is not going to make that much of a difference. But you won't even realize that how he got that sound, he had to run it through 4 or 5 different tracks or certain EQs, certain compressors to get a certain sound. But I digress. I don't gonna hold y'all too long in this video. I just wanted to show you what I was talking about when it comes to mixes. Just play a song for you. I don't really play that much music that I do, so I wanted to play you this. This your boy. Like, comment, and subscribe.